Welcome to Dermwire News, powered by Dermwire.com. Dermwire News for Smart Speaker is made possible with advertising support from Ortho Dermatologics.
A flurry of FDA approvals, new insights on the impact of acne, and Cloderm Cream finds a new home. Ahead on Dermwire TV. Welcome to Dermwire TV from the editors of Dermwire.com and Practical Dermatology magazine. I'm Rana Jaraha. A new antibiotic has been approved for dermatology for the first time in 40 years. Seysara, or sarecycline, is a new first-in-class tetracycline-derived oral antibiotic. Seysara is approved for the treatment of inflammatory lesions of non-nodular moderate to severe acne vulgaris in patients 9 years of age and older. Almirall recently acquired Seysara from Allergan and plans to launch the drug in January 2019. Seysara is an oral tablet that is taken once daily with or without food. It has proven significant reduction of inflammatory lesions as early as 3 weeks after start of treatment and is generally safe and well tolerated. Seysara is expected to reach peak sales of $150 to $200 million. Ortho Dermatologic's Brihali lotion has tentative approval for the topical treatment of plaque psoriasis in adult patients. Brihali halobetazole propionate lotion 0.01% is a new potent to super potent corticosteroid in a novel vehicle lotion. In clinical trials with dosing for up to 8 weeks, there was no increase in epidermal atrophy. The final FDA approval for Brihali lotion is pending the expiration of exclusivity for a related product, which is expected in early November 2018. Brihali lotion is expected to launch next month. FDA also has approved Paratech Pharmaceuticals' Nuzyra for the treatment of adults with community-acquired bacterial pneumonia and acute skin and skin structure infections. Nuzyra is omadacycline, described as a modernized tetracycline. It is a once-daily IV and oral antibiotic that exhibits activity across a spectrum of bacteria and will be available in the first quarter of 2019. Libtayo injection, or cemiplimab, from Regeneron Pharmaceuticals is now approved for intravenous use for the treatment of patients with metastatic or locally advanced cutaneous squamous cell carcinoma who are not candidates for curative surgery or curative radiation. Libtayo works by targeting the PD-1 cellular pathway. The safety and efficacy of Libtayo was studied in 2 open-label clinical trials. A total of 108 patients were included in the efficacy evaluation. The study's primary endpoint was objective response rate, or the percentage of patients who experienced partial shrinkage or complete disappearance of their tumors after treatment. 47.2% of all patients treated with Libtayo had their tumors shrink or disappear. The majority of these patients had ongoing responses at the time of data analysis. Libtayo is the first drug specifically approved for advanced CSCC. The FDA granted this application breakthrough therapy and priority review designations. Top earners in various fields across the U.S. share a love of books, the need for glasses, and high intelligence. They may also share an experience with acne, new research from Ball State University suggests. In his study, Do Pimples Pay? Acne, Human Capital, and the Labor Market Abstract, economics professor Eric Nesson found that having acne is positively associated with overall grade point average in high school, grades in high school English, history, math, and science, and the completion of a college degree. The study also found evidence that acne is associated with higher personal labor market earnings for women. Nesson conducted the study with Hugo M. Milan, an economics professor at Emory University. Their work is forthcoming in the Journal of Human Capital. In other acne research, new survey results confirm that acne patients' perceived social stigma negatively affects their quality of life. According to the survey from the University of Limerick of 271 people with acne, those whose negative perceptions of how society viewed their appearance had higher psychological distress levels and physical symptoms, such as sleep disturbance, headaches, and gastrointestinal problems. Females in the study reported greater impairment of life quality and more symptoms than males. Acne severity was significantly correlated with health-related quality of life and psychological distress, the study showed. The article appears in PLOS 1. EPI Health has acquired the rights to Cloderm Cream 0.1% and its authorized generic from Promeus Pharma LLC, a wholly owned subsidiary of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Under the terms of the agreement, Promeus Pharma is eligible to receive an upfront payment followed by future royalties as the consideration for Cloderm Cream and its authorized generic in the United States effective immediately. That's it for this edition of Dermwire TV. You can always get news updates at dermwire.com or via your Echo device. Simply visit the Amazon Skill Store and enable the Dermatology News skill. Then ask Alexa to play Dermatology News. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for listening to Dermwire News, powered by dermwire.com. This editorially independent program is supported with advertising from Ortho Dermatologics.